Good day, madam. I'm Usha Devi, daughter of Ravi, metric number A18A1180. I'm here to explain what I understood about the industrial talk that was held on 1st December 2020. The topic was about going beyond our shop by Dato Bruce Lim On Chung. So, talking about Dato Bruce Lim On Chung, he is a director of JD Mass Commerce and Rehan Berhad. Dato Bruce Lim is currently teaching law for 7 years in Malaysia, Singapore, and Hong Kong. He is also the founder and CEO of eSmart Learning, and allowing law programs to be carried out using technologies in Singapore and Hong Kong. So next, talking about JD Mass Commerce, or also known as JD.com, is the cross-border e-commerce division, the largest online and offline retailers in China. And it is the third largest internet company globally after Amazon and Alphabet, with e-commerce value transaction at USD 82.9 billion in 2019. So JD.com is different and unique and has many connections with many distributors, especially in China. JD.com also involved in B2B and B2C activities, which means business to business, B2B, and business to customers, B2C activities. The main issues that was highlighted in the speech by Dato Bruce Lim are fragmented retail market and a rapid shift to online. So as we know, Malaysia is high in marketplace, but compared to China, the internet penetration and mobile penetration are low. So because of the population is higher, therefore the total retail market size is much higher. So next is about the larger growth potential and smaller competitors. These issues explain about why we need to make the product to introduce at high population countries such as China. So Dr. Bruce Lee mentioned that we need to take opportunities on countries that have developments or growths on online platforms. So next is about the growth plan of JD.com. A growth plan should cover the business strategy for improving the existing skills and process to achieve the business growth that a business wants. So in this case, in JD.com has always hold to STAR principle, which gives the meaning as situation for S, task for T, action for A, and results for R. So as for situations, JD.com got to know the tray as people. So it does not just jump into it. Most importantly, access the situation and have a situation analysis like SWOT analysis. So secondly, to talk about task, which means what are the tasks required in order to take advantage of the opportunities available. So it is about do what we need to do. He mentioned that first, have a good partner across border. Second is get as many Malaysian brands that lives and breathes or merchant and brands to be on board with JD Mass. And lastly, to tell others about the growth journey of the business itself. So the third principle is action. Action means they come with simple methods such as documentations. So one should always have to make sure that they have a good team members by finding team which can communicate with merchants, with other business products as well. So this includes getting the correct warehouse, doing market analysis and sampling before going to the promotions. Lastly is results. So results is based on any key result areas. Key result areas includes how many merchants, products and brands initially. So, besides, how many products are able to clear for cross border e commerce? Next, I would like to explain about the issues and challenges faced by JD.com. First challenge faced by JD.com is pandemic COVID-19. When COVID-19 broke out, JD decided to stay consistent and even marshaled more resources and staff to support product supply, warehousing, distributing, delivery, and customer service against all odds. Next is payment system and logistic. As increasing the number of customers in e-commerce, therefore entrepreneurs need to improve in payment system as well. Besides, reputations of products is another challenge faced by JD.com. So JD.com has a reputation of Huawei phone exists in US, United States, and iPhone exists in China due to miscommunication that happens to both the companies. Next, I would like to explain about the intrapreneur attributes of employees. The intrapreneur attributes of employees are the first is non-stop service, second is in stock, and the last one is on the way. Talking about non-stop service, JD.com management always strive a superior shopping experience for their customers. They always provide services on holidays such as Chinese New Year holidays. So next is in stock. So JD.com are also using big data to ensure all products are detected by using SKU, HS code and barcode. So AI method who create by the engineerings which help to monitor the merchant product prices and inventory status. So lastly is on the way. So JD.com are having logistic networks of over 730 mega and a normal warehouse across China. Products are stored as close as possible to their customers. So, in conclusion, these are the issues and challenges that was explained by Dato Bruce Lim on June, and I learned a lot from his speech, and it was very useful for me to know more about the largest e-commerce in Malaysia and also across the borders. Thank you.